In this overview video, we're taking a look at the Innokin Klypse Plus, starting off with the famous Klypse clickable lid. It clips on, which I guess is where the name came from. One of the great features of this is, as I showed in the unboxing video, it does just click on the base, so when you're using it you've got this kind of fidget toy in hand, but very handy way of not losing your cap, especially if you're someone who is on a work site or in a bit of a dirty environment for your job. You don't want dust and debris getting into the mouthpiece. So I really like the feature of that. And when we're going from the top down on the Klypse, it pays to have a look at these new V2 Klypse pods. Now, the V2 is the same size and backwards compatible as all of the previous Klypse pods, so don't go throwing out your spares if you're looking at upgrading, because they will fit. The difference here is new coil technology. So in the range we have a resistance from 0.6, 0.8, which is this one here, you can see just down at the base of the pod, and there's also higher resistance like the 1.2. Now the wattage will vary quite considerably, which will affect the battery, but with huge power it won't affect you that much. The 0.6 goes up to 22 watts. The 0.8, which is the one I have here, is 16 watts, and the 1.2 is 12 watts. So you get this 0.8 in the box, which is perfect really, because it's right in the middle. Not too low, not too high, just about right. The pod is side refill, so you just pop your nail under there and you can squeeze in your liquid. There is a silicone bung there, so it should let the air out but not the juice as you're filling, and that is very convenient, as well as the convenience of this big open window, which even when it's in the device itself, it's still very visible to how much liquid you have in the pod. So the last thing you want to do is run your pod dry. Another good tip for these pod devices, in fact any vaping device, is when you're leaving your device you really should stand it upwards, because when it's lying down the bottom of the cotton is getting saturated, but the top not so much. While we're talking about liquid, I'm going to be pairing this up with a very concentrated flavour, the Vampire Vape Max Double Apple. Now, when you're using a vaping device, unlike cigarettes, there's options to bring you down to help you quit. So you start off on a 20 mg. You can see here I have a 10 mg. So you can reduce it down, 20, 10, and ultimately 5 is the most common lower level when it comes to nic salts. I'm going to pop this one out of the box so we can show you exactly how we feel. There is a juice review of this range coming, and you can see there is indeed 10 mg, so a slightly lower nicotine to maybe what you would want if you've just quit smoking. So to fill this one up, we're going to pop the side open. I'm just holding the bung out of the way, and then place the nib inside and give it a nice short squeeze to start filling that pod up. As I said, the beauty with the Klypse pods is it's a very visible pod. I'm not going to fill it totally, but that's enough. We can just see that the liquid is flowing around nicely, and we will get these tiny air bubbles coming up as the cotton fully saturates and takes in some of that e-liquid and draws it around the mesh coil, so that when it heats up it's the liquid that will simmer rather than the cotton. We don't want dry cotton, so we're going to leave that now for 5 minutes just to fully saturate. So while the pod saturates, let's talk about the Klypse device itself. So I've got this amazing colour. I really like how they do their colourways with that to me is just really impressive. The color blend is absolutely stunning. It is available in 8 different colors, so if this doesn't tickle your pickle, there is plenty of other colors to choose from. The battery capacity is 1800 milliamp hours. If you had the previous Klypse, that was around 700 milliamp hours, so it's a huge increase in battery capacity. It does feel slightly bigger in hand, but it certainly doesn't feel twice as big in hand, and yet you've got more than twice as big a battery in this one. When it comes to charging that battery up, well, you have USB-C charge on the side. It's 2 amp fast charge. And if you watch the unboxing video, you will know that it comes with a USB-C to USB-C fast charge cable in the box. And that's capable of reaching 80% charge in just 30 minutes. The device itself has no buttons on it. It does have a smart mode chip, so no matter what pod you put in this device up top, if it's the 0.6, the 0.8 or the 1.2, it will recognize the resistance of that pod and apply the right amount of power to it. Again, making vaping very, very simple to quit with. As well as smart mode for the resistance, also without having a battery, means that this is an automatic inhale activated device. So all you need to do is inhale on it and it will provide the right amount of power matching the pod on the device. You can dial it into your style of vaping, whether you like it tight as a roll up or looser like a cigarette, by adjusting this airflow here, making it a great quitting device. The weight on this one as an everyday carry is just 66 grams. That's really due to the materials, because it's a very bulky battery, but it doesn't feel too heavy, just very sturdy in hand. You get constant power output on this one all the way through the use of the battery. So even when the battery is lower, it's still very consistent in how it delivers the power, so that vaping is the same as the beginning of the battery as it is later on. Finally, while we're talking about the battery, you do have an LED indicator, and although it looks very tiny, it's quite bright. When this one is green, the battery is over 30% of charge. So you build up a nice sense of security, because with a very big battery, it stays green for a very long time. When it goes yellow, it's between 30% and 10%. So that's a kind of take it as your warning. And when it shows red, well, it's in the last percent of charge. Red light comes on, you know you've got 10% left in the battery. So that's really, find me a cable and get recharging. When charging, a red light will appear for up to 90% of the charge, and then it will turn green, which is just to show you that you're nearly there, and it will turn off when it's fully charged. You can do pass-through charging on this device, which is very good. So while it's charging, you can still use it. So if you're worried about, buying 2 devices because you want a full battery all the time, you don't need to worry. You can plug this one into a charger and you can still use it while it's charging, which is another great benefit of this device. So finally, all you would need to do now is remove this transit sticker, because we are able to connect it with the device itself. Drop the pod in. A very, very sharp green light appears to tell me that I have a full battery and it's recognized the pod. Now I can tell you that the Vampire Vapes Max Double Apple is a perfect pairing. It's all of the sweetness that you would expect from those 10+2s or previously disposable flavouring. Very, very rich, concentrated flavour. You can be certain that is definitely double the amount of apple. And that is why a lot of people are enjoying these salts. So that is my choice of combination for the Klypse. What will you choose? Well, we may never know, but thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. There's plenty more on the channel, so if you're still not sure on the perfect device for you, then be sure to check out some of the other pages across the site.